here at Volcano Bay. Because, oh my god, I'm carrying everything. Because we are staying at Cabana Bay, it's like literally like that is Cabana Bay. So I have come over because I have the ability to, and Mum and Dad are staying at the Football Cabana Bay just so I can have a look really and see how it is. So I'll get some footage. So far it is beautiful, love it. This is the bar. How cute is that name? Oh, it smells so good. I forgot to say the best, most exciting thing, if I can get that to focus. No, okay, let me sit down. So I forgot all about this, but everyone who enters Volcano Bay gets a tapu. And you go up to the attraction and tap this on the front. It gives you a return time. I'm not going to ride anything because I'm like by myself and have all this stuff. But I might try it just because. So there's lockers, which I believe. Let's go and investigate. So pretty. Wow. Oh, it smells like Halloween Horror Nights. Oh, so here is where you can get your cabanas. Oh, look at that. Premium seating sold out. Universal Express not available. This may be like a stupid thing to say, but because it's a water park, there's no map. This is actually the first map I've seen. I have no idea where I am. Oh. These are the premium seats, which are really nice. I'm not sure how much they are. And I think behind there is the cabanas. So this is where you press your tapu, but right now I guess this one, which is Tanawa Juice, there's no way. So you just go on. Wow. Oh, that's cool. A place to leave your like shoes and stuff. Interesting idea. the not so lazy river, which does not look anywhere near as enjoyable as the lazy river. So these are the cabanas, so you can have like a bottom floor one or a top floor one, and it just looks like it's got a fridge and stuff really, and like nice seats. Oh, there's more around here. I think you might get a TV as well, a bit like the cabanas at Cabana Bay. We've had a bit of an easy day today. We spent a bit of time at the pool, and this one here, she took you to Volcano Bay. I was going to say Cabana Bay, no, Volcano Bay, and showed you around a bit there. So I hope you enjoyed that. Tonight we are walking to CityWalk because we are going for something to eat, and then maybe have a couple of drinks and just again have like quite a easy evening.
Tomorrow.
Oh
Wow.
Oh yeah. Because tomorrow we're going to Epcot Food and Wine, so it's going to be quite a long and busy day. So we will take you along tonight. I'll show you this. You can see just over the top of the hotel building, Volcano Bay. I didn't really do the volcano view justice, but the sky's beautiful and pink, and then the volcano is kind of like pink as well. It looked really nice. Yeah, I think it was. So we're just having a little wander. Weather-wise, it's quite warm, but there's like a nice breeze, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you're probably getting a bit used to it now. You've been here all summer. So, is there anywhere in particular you think you might like to eat tonight?
I don't know. I don't really. We'll just see. I don't really have.
See where we can get in.
Yeah, exactly.
Might be busy, so we'll see.
I hope not.
Yeah.
I don't
mean,
think
it's
so.
a Monday. Shouldn't be too bad. We'll see where we can get in.
We'll see.
We're just in the NBC Grill and... is it just called Grill Brew? Or Grill and Brew? Anyway, we're in NBC. NBC Grill Brew. And we are waiting for our table. They said it would be about 20 minutes. So we ordered some drinks and we drank most of them because we forgot to show you. I got the Low Country Lemonade. Amy got the... what's that one called? Donkey. Something about a donkey. A Dublin donkey in like a Moscow Mule glass, and Dave's just got, well, should we let them guess? It's just a Jameson's. On the rocks, as usual. And we're looking at the menu and trying to decide what we're going to have. We've just ordered some more drinks and we've sat down at our table now. We've ordered our food as well, and I've got a gin and Sprite, which tastes like...
They actually forgot to put the Sprite in. It's just gin.
It actually tastes like neat gin in a glass with some ice cubes. Dave's got a Long Island iced tea.
Dave's got some dirty dishwater.
Have a taste and see what it's like. it really strong?
If you want value for money for your drinks and a lot of alcohol, come here.
Let's have a taste. I'll try it. Oh wow, yeah, that's pretty strong. You can usually tell a Long Island iced tea is strong by the colour of it, because generally they're supposed to put Coke in, but it doesn't look like there's all that much Coke going on in there. We've been really bad vloggers because we forgot to show you our food, so we'll show you empty plates instead. I hope that's alright. I went off?
You must have been recording it.
Okay.
Oh, awkward.
So, me and Amy had the bang bang chicken, which is not much left. It's got pretty much gone. Dave's got the pork, which is like pulled pork. I think on the menu it's down as like a smoked pork sandwich, but it's basically like pulled pork. And we started with the kettle chips, which are black and blue kettle chips, which have got like bacon and cheese, and that was really delicious as well. So we're really, really full now. Really full. I've only so far managed half the glass of pure gin with some ice cubes in it. So we're gonna finish off that, and then we might have a little wander over to Toothsome and go to the bar there.
The roll is there, so
maybe. But I want to introduce Amy to the white chocolate martini.
I can have anything else go down.
By the time you've walked there, you'll be ready for a white chocolate martini. We're dying here, we've eaten so much food. We're at Toothsome and we've got some cocktails. Amy's got the classic, is it classic old fashioned? And what's in that? Oh, let's have a look.
Whiskey, sugar, and how on earth do I say that? Bitters. It's just an old fashioned.
How is it?
It's delicious.
And I've got another white chocolate martini. There's probably about 40,000 calories in it, but it's very nice. And Dave's waiting on a whiskey flight. It's a big and bold flight with Blanton's, Glenfiddich and something else that I've never heard of. There you go.
Thank you. Could you give me you couldn't give me a tumbler with some ice in, could you please?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is small.
Yeah, a smaller one, yeah.
Yeah.
I like some ice with it.
Yeah.
Great, thank you.
That looks so nice.
So that's what, a 12-year-old Glenfiddich?
That one is a Stranahan, which I'm not sure if that's a bourbon or whiskey.
And then the Blanton.
That's the Blantons.
I still think the white chocolate martini is probably the nicest thing I've ever tasted.
Delicious thing.
Let me have a try of that one then.
Oh, hello! Hello!
Hi.
Professor Dr. Penelope Toothsome, pleasure to meet you. Hello! Welcome to my Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and Savoury Pizza Kitchen. I see that you are very well acquainted. You are. Yes, you're enjoying it. She's not even putting it down. Are you enjoying it? Yes, and then you old-fashioned. Is that old-fashioned? No, it's classic. A classic old-fashioned. There's nothing wrong with a classic, is there? We've got 6 old-fashioned here. Don't try them all in one night. No. Don't want you to fall over. It's very embarrassing. Not very ladylike at all, is it? No. Don't worry about that sort of thing. No, don't worry about that sort of thing. What about you, sir? What have you got?
Whiskey flight.
Ooh, a whiskey flight. Don't have too many of those.
Right.
Goodness gracious. Lovely to see you.
Thank you.
We've got some men here had some so we went into Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and I had an old fashioned. You did that, didn't you? Did you do a video of that?
Yeah, I did.
Well, it was nice.
And I had 2 chocolate martinis.
And now we're walking. Now we're gonna go back to the hotel. Because tomorrow we're going to Food and Wine Festival.
Yay! We're really excited to go to Food and Wine.
Yeah.
You haven't been yet this year, have
No.
you? No, first time for both.
Yeah.
This year we haven't been, so we're really looking forward to that. So we will see you there. Good night.